put it some flavor, to make it,
So I finished cutting, and then I've put it here. The next thing that came in is my cinnamon, and then sugar is being added. I'm going to be adding oil, and then the next thing that will come in is egg. Here I'm making use of 4 eggs. So I just added the eggs, and I'm also going to be making use of yogurt, Greek yogurt. That is not a must. And then here I have vanilla, the liquid vanilla. So I'm going to be adding it. Okay, so the next thing you are going to be doing is to make sure that you turn it evenly. Okay, so after turning this means that the liquid ingredients are all inside. So I'm going to be adding the flour. I'm sieving the flour so that if there's any little seed on it, this is the baking powder I'm talking about. I just made use of 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then I'm done with the powdered dry ingredients. So I've finished turning. Look at how it looks like. Okay, so we're going to be putting them into a pan and start up our baking. And while I'm doing this, the oven is already on and heating. I just added a little bit of oil here, on the pan, and then I'm adding the apple cake. This is a special cake, but you must not use this cinnamon. Some people does it without cinnamon. Maybe I will also show you the way how to do. There's another one that is not so liquid like this. It's hard. It's kind of, I can also maybe make a video of that. Okay, say yes if you want to see a video of that one. You don't need cinnamon powder, you don't need, So I've just completed the other pan, so I'm going to be adding the remaining one. I'm just making use of these 2 pans. Okay, so after that, you make sure that you also, there is no air in between this. Okay, make sure that you distribute, your batter evenly. Okay, so I'm trying to, distribute it here. Okay, you have to also be careful. You see it, they are all well distributed. You can actually do that by heating the pan, So it is already baked here. I've just brought it out of the oven. I'm going to be turning it upside down. Okay, you see how it quickly came out of the pan. That is the excess of, greasing your pan with oil. Thank you so much for